Hey, we going on, guys. We live. We just did a workout. It was light. Just did a workout. Let me open this shit up. Let's refresh the market. What's going on, guys? Let me actually, damn, I'm gonna turn myself up. I don't have a printer. If not this, the one. Alright, me. I need to go on my bullshit. We got any views yet? Shit. Guys, I don't got two screens no more. Oh, fuck. I clicked the wrong button. I'm just trying to share my...
Playing from Mingan's iPhone.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just trying to share my thing. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's just keep Bitcoin right here. Yep, we live. Live right now. Let me share this around. Share this on Snapchat. We live right now. I deleted social media. Bro, I be deleting social media and then I'm like, damn, I need to get back on it because this is how I fucking fuel my... It's how I fuel my shit. That's how I be feeling my shit. Cause like the homies, they don't be checking. They don't be checking sometimes. Sometimes though, my other channel they be checking. But honestly, this is really just to just start streaming and then just putting it out there. You know, the video's up. I'll do the, you know, everything later. The fans will come later. But right now, really, it's just let's just look at the market. Look at the market real quick. Okay, look, this live right here. Yep, you ain't got nobody yet. All right, you guys obviously know my take on Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin, and I'm gonna always tell you guys keep buying. Do you guys think right now is a good time to buy? That's my question. If you guys think right now is a good time to buy, leave it down in the comment below, in the live chat below. Let me know what you think. What's your thoughts? Do you think that right now, given where we're at, given how low we are right now, in terms of where the trend is going right now, because I believe we're in the start of our uptrend, and some people may be like, nah, I should wait much longer. In August, in the fall, you know, everything's gonna fall. You could believe that all you want, and then wait, and then chase that bottom, but it's all right there. It's all right there when you look at the chart. Not only that, but if you look at the weekly chart, this is what I follow. This is what I look at. Look at the weekly charts at a very long-term view, so that way I could see where this market's going. Now, as you can see right now, if you zoom in here at the weekly, just look at this right here. You see this blue line? You see this big blue line that's just strolling around here? You see, I look at that. Right there. You wanna know why? That's the 200-day moving average. And every time I tell you, we touch it and we break above it, that's when we start going back up. Don't you see that right there? What about this? What happened here? This is our previous from back. This is where we're bouncing off right now. We're bouncing off this yellow line, this resistance. You see it's right there. When we went from the top here to the bottom and we touched that 200-day moving average, what happened after that? We came up here, obviously came back down because of 2020 COVID crash. That took everything down. But what happened right after that? A huge, nice come up. Oh, that was a nice one too. How many weeks of upness was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of just going straight up. If you bought down here, let's actually measure that. If If you time the bottom, you bought right there. You're like, oh shit, there's a catastrophe. Something bad happened. Bitcoin fell down. Bitcoin fell down. If you made that quick trade, you would have damn near almost yeah. I mean, not even double, but like 2x, because just 100%, just 100% is doubling your money. You could have doubled it in a half. Doubled it in a half, if that makes sense. Doubled it in a half. You know, just 100%, 50%. You took all that profit. You put $1,000 in there. You would have came out with what, 200, 2,500. Did I say 1,000? Yeah, 1,000 goes into 2,500, almost 3,000. But if you held even longer, if you were the smart money and you held it even longer, if you were just dollar cost averaging as you should, from when you was, let's say for example, you were right here. Say you bought right here. This shit fell down. What would you do? Would you sell right here? Would you have sold right here? Say you were right. Say it's a real life situation. You were at the top right here. You rolled this mountain and you held. You're like, oh, this shit's gonna go up. This shit gonna go up, and then boom, you're stuck in this bear market from 2017. What was that? 2017 from in 2018 down to a whole year later, 2019. And then you just sold. You never bought back in. But say for example, maybe you bought here, maybe you bought there, and then you just kept holding and holding. If you never sold, you kept buying and holding, you would have made how much just in this period alone, just waiting? You would have made a damn near goddamn shit. Look at that. 15. That's a what's that? A 15x. You would have 15x your money. That $1,000 that you invested down here at the bottom of this market right here, that shit would have gave you 15,000. 15 motherfucking thousand. Now let's go back to where we are right now. Let's say you bought right here at this bottom. Say you bought right here. So far you only made what? Like, what's that? 30%, 40%? You only made a 40% gain. But let's see how long it takes if you wait until it goes back to its all-time high. That's damn near 3x. If you put $1,000 in there, that'd be 3,000 just by waiting, simply waiting. You're just being patient. You're not even touching that money. You don't gotta put it in a whole savings account. Y'all acting like investing is just this whole like, oh, I gotta get rich. I gotta time this shit. You don't got time shit. The market doesn't wait for you. The market does not wait for you. That's one thing you gotta keep in your mind. Cause me, I don't wait for this market. I just buy in. I buy in no matter where I'm at. You wanna know why? Cause I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush to make money. The money's gonna come and it's gonna flow. It's entirely up to you what you gotta really decide. Because if you're you can't just get free money. It's one thing that's for sure. You gotta be patient. This shit comes with hard work and patience. Hard work and patience is all a nigga needs. And if you don't got neither, if you ain't hard working, if you lazy, and if you don't got patience, you're always like, oh, give my shit, I want my shit right now. You ain't gonna make it far. You is not gonna make it far. And man, I tell you, all I'm gonna say is that y'all need to be buying. I'm not a financial advisor yet, but y'all need to be buying right now. Look at these numbers. Say if we do crash down even further from where we're at right now, from 23,000. Say for example, we follow this trajectory. Damn, I kind of want to make it as conservative as possible, but as accurate as possible. Hey, no, I don't want this. Conservative as possible, but as accurate as possible as I can. Let's say right there, actually. Let's say right there. Say if we do crash down, anywhere right here where we're at. We start crashing down. Worst thing we'll be at is right here. We're at this 90 at the 96, 95 level. We'll be at 9,000 or 10,000 in between that range. That's where we would most likely be crashing down. Now let's say we do that, and you bought in right here. You get mad. You start breaking things because damn, I just put my life savings in Bitcoin. This shit just crashed on me and went from 23,000 all the way down to 10,000. What the hell? My wife gonna kill me. Hey, if you just, instead of bitching about it, just buy at, let's say for example, it's a very bad trend. We start following down here. We are at 98,000. Let's say you waited until it went back up. That'd be 5x. Damn near 6x. 6,000. From 10,000 to 60,000. From 10,000 to 60,000. 10,000 and 60,000. All you have to do is just wait. That's all you have to do. You don't gotta do nothing else, but just wait. And that's just how I'm measuring it. Dollar cost average, baby. Guys, whether you're watching this on the live stream right now or you're gonna watch this later on today, grab a pen and paper, grab your phone, open the notes app, and write down DCA, dollar cost average. Look up the meaning. I'm gonna tell you the meaning, what it kind of is right now. It's literally just buying at a schedule. Say it's every time you get a paycheck, you put 10% away, you put 5% away, whatever you can afford to put into the market. Whatever it is, it could be up to from $5 to $1. My homeboy, he just put $5 in the other day. Just $5 randomly. He had a cash out. I told him, yo, put that shit in there. That's just sitting there, right? It's cash. Cash ain't doing nothing but just, that's what cash is doing. You gotta put it into an asset that's going to appreciate. It's all about appreciation. That's just how I see it, man. It's kind of also something I do look at is these levels right here, the RSI and the MACD. When you focus on these levels, these are the crucial ones for me, to be honest, because they really tell you where the market is going. And you can even do some technical analysis on it too. Cause watch, hold on. Let me show you some crazy shit. What level are we approaching? Cause every time you see this trend line, boom, boom, this is a certified downtrend. It's happened before. Oh, look at these uptrends. Look at these certified uptrends. But in terms of downtrend, we always. Yep. Here's a good example right here. Damn, I gotta. Oh, yep. I'm gonna make this bigger or something. I'm not focused on you, MACD. You see? Let's say from right here, cause this would have been like that. From right here going down to the bottom, that was what caused this crash. We couldn't break above this trend line, and then once we did, it was just going up and up and up and up until we hit that peak level. We crashed down. Obviously, this was kind of same thing here. Yep, let's draw the line. When we made it up here, it took a while. We broke above twice over here, but then very, very drastically rejected. We came back down. Hit bottom, came up, met resistance at this trend line, hit bottom again, and then ultimately broke through. We just broke right out of it. Came here, now where we're at right now. Let's reset the chart. Now it looks beautiful. It'll look like, I don't know, man. I just this is gonna happen. Right now it's kind of like this. We broke over, it was because this was just a tease. The 69,000 was a tease, bro. It was a tease. The 69 was a tease, man. We're going even higher. We're going to 369. We're going to 369,000 by 2025. I said it. I said it. 369 by 2025. We're gonna be stable. Well, actually, I don't know. Let me make a. Hold on. It's kind of like, let's measure that actually. Let's measure that. We could actually measure that. I need a better scale. We gotta scale that. Okay, here we go. Now don't quote me. This is just, you know, I'm just you know, going crazy. It's 369. Yeah, 36. Oh, you see? Yeah, I'm kind of close. Kind of close. This is crazy. 300 around this area. There it is. Yep, right there. You see? 2025. 369, bitch. Honestly, I'm calling it. I'm calling it right there. That's proof. It's almost proof. It's almost proof. If we don't go through a worst case scenario right here, if we follow this trajectory, we're going to 369 in 2025. I'm gonna have to draw that. I have to draw that. That's our goal, guys. If we hit 369, this proves that not only is that okay, 369. We need 369. Okay, this is as close as we're getting. This is as close as we're getting. Oh, I think I could do something crazy over here. I'm gonna call this the 369 theory. This I'm definitely calling the 369 theory. Reset the chart. Who knows? Who the fuck knows? Only time could tell. I'm all I know is that this is some crazy shit. This is some crazy shit. And if I could prove this theory, it's gonna be magical. But for now, this is as accurate as it gets. This is as accurate as it's going to get. From my theory, my 369 theory, shit, we gonna see. Because I feel like, guys, it's time. In terms of Bitcoin, I feel like it's time to go high. We need to go higher. From here to 369, say you bought right now and you waited till you're, say you want to retire. Say you want to fucking retire, bro. You want to retire at 25 with some, like, not even just retire, but like be financially stable at 25. Put $10,000 right here. Wait till 2025. Let's see. Yep, right there. 2025. The end of 2025. If you put 10,000, wait for 369. Damn near 16x. That's a 16x percent increase. Right? Yeah. Alright, so I need to do the math. I'm not a mathematician, but let's see. 10,000. Say you put 10,000. You have $10,000 to invest this year or next year, whatever year you pick. Hopefully, you do it now. Well, I'm not advising you to do it now, but in this scenario, you're doing it now. That times fucking 16. 16x. There it is. That's $160,000. You'll be a six-figure man by 2025 if you put $10,000 into the market right now, and that's not just including Bitcoin. That's including Ethereum, including Apple, Tesla, because obviously these are two powerhouses. These guys control the markets, NASDAQ market. Cardano, all these other guys. I don't know. This is too new to really like figure it out. But like Cardano's been around, a true powerhouse as well. You know, Charles Hopkinson. He's gonna lead the way. It's just all about structure. And right now we're actually approaching the 200-day moving average. So it's possible to go upwards. Algorand is a good project. Algorand's a very good project. It's working with governments to really help governments get involved with the crypto market. That's always a good thing, because obviously, like, we're not gonna. If it's finance and money, I don't think that the government wants to be left out. Cosmos is also good. I don't know much what Cosmos does. It's more like it's like an ecosystem of networks. I gotta do more research. Axie Infinity, they lost a lot of money, so I don't know. I have them in Voyager, so regardless, I'll probably lose money in both because Voyager's fucked. Binance is huge, a huge business. Fucking Suzu, the CEO he's just a rich man. He's a very rich man, and his just Binance, guys. Binance is its own smart chain. I have high hopes for Binance. Dogecoin, we're all on the moon bags. We still think that Dogecoin has a lot to go. We want that dollar. That's what we want. We want that dollar. Matic is fucking... Guys, don't sleep on Matic. Matic has figured out scaling. That's why the fees are so low. People use it a lot more. They have They have a lot of utility. NFT marketplaces, all of this, that, and the third. Shiba Inu. Can never forget about this fucking pump, dude. Part 2 coming. This coming bull market. We'll see. We'll see if part 2 comes. Because I'm not missing this sheep bag. I'm not going to miss it. Solana. Oh, wait. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Because I need to do some calculations. Say, because I did possibly, I don't know. Say you buy right here. And you rode it all the way to its all-time high. Okay, that's only a 6x. Let me calculate some shit. This is for my personal calculations. Let's say I put like 200. Yeah, 200 times 6. What? Oh, I did the wrong fucking. 200 times 6. Oh, okay, that's not bad, I guess. All right. Yeah, I'll probably put some more. I gotta put some more in Sheeb. I don't want to miss that jump. Cause guys, you gotta take into consideration, and also, it also might go even higher, but you never know. And Solana is centralized, bro. They're not really decentralized. They're centralized, very centralized. But people use them. And actually, they just opened a store in New York City. It's a few blocks away. I think it's a few blocks away from the Empire State Building. Also, the crypto market cap is above $1 trillion. It was struggling to get above $1 trillion. Now it is, and yeah, it's also above the 200-day moving average, which is amazing. You want to give it up to that. On the daily, got rejected here. Because we broke down, this was from when we were high at the 3 trillion. We broke down. We got rejected here. So this next meet with the 200-day moving average will determine if we're going to keep going down or higher. It's really going to drive the whole market. It's going to drive the whole market because on top, Bitcoin hasn't reached that again either. Because look at as the same as the total crypto market. Same as the total crypto market. On the daily chart, Bitcoin has not broken above. But hey, if we continue this uptrend, because apparently on the 4-hour we're kind of approaching. Let me reset the chart. On the 4-hour, we're kind of approaching the resistance line right here. If we break down below, we're gonna break down this red line, and then come down here to 19,000. Actually, no. Probably the worst we should be is like right here, still at like 20,000. This is the uptrend currently. Because if we go down, we'll go as bad as like back to 21,000, 22,000. Right there. From there, you could either buy it, you could watch it, just do its thing. But we should be bouncing off. If we don't bounce off where we're at right now, which is obviously because we see this, then that I guess that'll confirm. For the rest of the day, it'll be an uptrend, or we'll finish the day high. Let's check on the daily how that looks. On the daily, I don't know. This looks weird. It looks like it should be coming down, but I don't know. Alright, let me move this up. Yeah, it looks like it should be coming down. Looks like it needs to come down on a daily standpoint. So this week it might just consolidate sideways. We might just keep going sideways. That's what people are saying. I think the same too. We're gonna be going sideways for a while until we reach this point right here, and then we'll just start going up, testing this 24, possibly 25,000. Maybe. If we go up there, it's okay. It's very good. I like that. But anyway, yeah, I think I rambled enough. That's VeChain. VeChain's pretty good, man. You know, I like VeChain. What else? XRP still fighting their case with the SEC, but they're pretty much winning that case. So it's one thing to look out for. The dollar, guys. The dollar is coming down. Guys, the dollar is coming down. But oh crap! If you look at the daily, it's looking like it's already ready to tap out and come back up. There might be some sell pressure coming in, but if you look at the weekly as well, the weekly it's been high for too long. Could come crashing down the dollar. On the monthly as well. On the monthly as well, it's looking like it's high, and you know, obviously, if it goes up any higher, it's obviously due to this pattern. It's gonna be due to this pattern, or I'll probably do a pattern like this, where it goes high, 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 and then fall, you know, ready to fall and shit, dude. The dollar is gonna come down though. It always does. How far does this go back to? Oh, okay, yeah. Damn, bro. Look at all this. In the 60s, it was just stable. This was in the gold standard, and then boom, fell off the gold standard. And then we just started printing more money. And then the Great Depression, I think, right? Was it the Great Depression? Holy shit, bro. That shit was a fall. How much did that fall? Holy shit, it lost half of its fucking value. Instantaneously. Not instantaneously, it took like oh fuck it, 1,095 days. What else we got here? I think that's all I really got for you guys. Just the market watch, you know. NASDAQ is, it's coming up today this month. Oh yeah, that's just for this. Oh shit. NASDAQ is looking like it's ready to pull through. My bad. Yeah, it's looking like it's ready to fucking go high today. I'm loving that. Because when the NASDAQ goes up, obviously the crypto market follows. And Uniswap is something I recently bought into. Just full disclosure. You know, I gotta disclose what I invest to you guys, because you guys deserve to know, you know. But yeah, it's all I really got. I got a new theory for Bitcoin. 369 by 2025. 369 theory. Bitcoin going to 20,000. I mean, 369,000. Am I wrong? I don't know. Only one person would tell me. I'm trying to fix this. Okay, yeah, let's just look at it on the daily. There you go. The 369 theory. I guess it would have made sense to like measure it right here. Let me see. Let's measure it from here. I mean, shit. Look, one thing that's for sure. Whatever pattern it decides to follow. If it follows either this pattern, because it definitely is not going to keep following this pattern. This pattern is, this is just literally like, honestly, I'm deleting that because that was unnecessary as hell. I'm just playing with the chart right now. This is the best we could do. No, we time this top. Obviously expect diminishing returns. Diminishing returns, and it means like obviously it's not gonna, you're not gonna get the most back like how we used to, because as you can see, Bitcoin does not have the ability to go up just from literally like a 10x. It can't do a 10x really, not until like possibly a while, because that's kind of the first thing it did. It kind of 7x. Is that 71x? Damn. Yeah, it was like 100x, 200, fucking 300x, 400x. It's almost five, like, or it's either 500 or 50x. Whatever the two it is, you guys let me know. I think that's like a yeah, it's that's a 425x. Let's multiply that. Imagine you just some random guy. You found out about Bitcoin in 2011. You've been mining it, and investing. Let's say you were broke as fuck though. So all you could have done was really, well, I mean, yeah. You were broke. All you really could have done was put 5,000 in there collectively. Timed it, and then times 424. Oh, I did it wrong again. Times 424. Yeah, there you go. Pretty much Bitcoin millionaires were made in this era, because that would have been $2 million. Bitcoin, like, just imagine. And we're not even at this level anymore. Just like people who've been in the game. People who've been in the game and they have, like, say they've never sold. Obviously, most of them probably sold already. But say those who haven't sold at all, from like they bought $1,000 when it was only at $2 or $3 or even fucking like not even at $100. Even at $100, guys. I don't know. I just see a lot of potential in this market. This is disruptive technology, and it needs to be respected as innovation. Innovation for the future and innovation for the global economy. Like, I don't know, man. I'm just ranting at this point. Yeah, we had a good stream today, 3 views. It was light. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I gotta get ready to go to work now. Thank you guys for those who tuned in. I greatly appreciate you guys. You guys need to start liking the channel, liking this video. If you hop on this stream, or if you're made it this far, you need to start liking that, hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you click on that notification bell, so that way you get notified as well every time I stream. Alright? I'm gonna end the stream right here, guys. Peace.